Good day, and thank you for joining our SELead.org system training. My name is Faye Colley, and I'm an Education Associate with the Office of Educator Effectiveness and Leadership Development. This video is on adding persons not in SELead. This slide is a reminder of the different permissions for SELead.org users. For this mini tutorial on adding persons not in SELead.org, the users that can add persons on the school staff list is limited to the SELead.org adept administrators at the district or school level and the superintendent. Remember that assistant principals don't have permissions in SELead.org unless their role is changed to school staff and permission as adept administrator is added. SELead.org pulls records from multiple systems such as a staffing system called PCS and educator record system called CPS. Note that the staffing and database systems are in the process of being changed and in the future may not be called so. But based on various database systems, SELead.org automatically creates educator profiles and staffs educators under the appropriate district and school. Please also note that an educator profile existing in SELead.org doesn't mean that the educator has created or registered a user account. SELead.org user registration is a different process, and we have a separate video to help you with that. So, let's go back to the question, why add staff manually? Data in PCS and CPS may be updated at different times within the academic year, and changes may not reflect in SELead.org immediately. Many of our districts and schools are proactive and would like to have an accurate roster, create evaluation teams, and evaluation records before the beginning of the academic year. Another reason districts may need to add staff manually is to give permission to administrators or office staff who are not certified South Carolina educators but help manage district's evaluation records. Those persons would not have a profile automatically created in SELead.org and would first have to be created, then added to the staff list. Only the SCDE state-level user can create the SELead.org person. So, if your district needs a new person created, contact your assigned effectiveness regional support. Now let's have a look at how to add an educator to a school-evaluated staff list and how to add a person to a non-evaluated district staff list, and then give permission as adept administrator. The SELead.org website is on the screen. For this tutorial, I'll be on a training site, so please don't be alarmed that my screen shows a different website on the browser. I'm going to log in. And I am automatically taken to my home page. From the top menu, choose Districts and Schools. It will populate the districts that you are associated with, or you can do a quick search in the box. I've pre-typed Colley and have submitted it, so this appears. For this demo, I will use Colley District 12736, County School District. I'll click on Dashboard. Then on the left vertical menu, I'll click on Schools. For this demo, I want to use the elementary school as an example. So I'll go to Dashboard. And then from there, go back to the left vertical menu. I'll click on staff. And then I will look at my staff list, and I notice that I have my principal, my teacher 1, teacher 3, a speech therapist, and a counselor. So it looks like I'm missing my teacher 2. So what I want to do is add school staff. It will take me to this page. I will just click on select person. I need to type the last name of the person I am trying to add. In this case, the person will be coming from Collie District, so I'll be just typing Collie. You only need to type in at least 3 letters of the last name, but if you know exactly how to spell the name of the staff member that you need to add, then you can type it completely. Make sure that you type the last name, comma, space, and then the first name if you wanted to search that way. But again, all you really need to type in would be the first 3 letters of the last name. Make sure that you have the certificate ID number of the educator. Sometimes you have educators that have the same name, but it's a different person. So make sure you have the CID so you can match it. So in this case, I am looking for this teacher 2 with Collie District 12736. I will select that. Now for the position, I would caution you that when you are adding staff manually, again, you can only add somebody that is already within your district, and that you need to make sure that it matches the actual position that is entered in the staffing database, which is PCS, which might be called differently in the near future. So here I know that I've checked with my PCS person at the district or finance person, and know that this educator is a self-contained special education code 606. I will choose that, and the role will be educator. And educators do have an evaluation system for this particular person. This person is classroom-based teacher. I'll click on that and hit submit. You'll then get to this page. All you have to do is click back. It'll take you back to the staff list, and you will see that now teacher 2 is added. And schools. I was under Collie District 12736, County School District. This time I am going to left vertical menu schools, but go to the administration. I'm going to add this staff member under non-evaluated, because this person that I want to add is just somebody that is helping us with documentation. This person is not certified and does not need to be evaluated. So what I'll do is go to that tab, non-evaluated, click add school staff. This page will populate, select person. Okay. So this is the person that I just created, Joanna Marie Simpson. I know that's her. It has the same birthday that I entered when I created her. So I'm just going to select. And again, this one will not be such an issue. It wouldn't create multiple records, but try to still be as accurate as you can. Contact your finance person or whoever's in charge with the PCS staffing database. And I'm going to just pick here, pretend that I've checked that this person is not a director. Want to pick what makes sense, so sorry. I'll put here as other district office staff, code 99. And I'll put the role district staff. Evaluation type is not evaluated. And then if the reason that I'm adding this person is, to help manage the evaluations of the entire district inside SC Lead, then I'll go ahead and give a check mark for adept administrator. So now this person will have permission levels that are similar to a district level administrator or a superintendent. I hit submit and I just hit back. When I go to the non-evaluated tab, I should see Joanna M. Simpson listed on here. So that's your quick tutorial on how to add staff under a school or a district. If the person is, again, a certified educator, make sure that you are matching the position or role exactly as entered in PCS.